Actually, in this question, we are bothering. Just 1 minute, guys. I think there is no charging in my iPad. I'm just seeing there is charging or not. Just a minute. Everyone be online. Just a minute. There is no charging. I got it. Yes, I got it. So okay. So I was asking. In this question, I am asking which cross section will produce more stiffness? More stiffness. So some of you are saying that cross section 1. How will you think on this? Just now we have got our basic formula of stiffness in terms of moment of inertia, right? If you recall the formula, just now we have got this formula, right? Where is the formula? Here is the formula. You can see stiffness is equal to the applied load L cube by 3EI. So we got our stiffness formula as, just take 3EI up, so it will be 3EI divided by L cube. So from here you can see, if your moment of inertia is more, then your K value will be more. Simple. So in this cross section, because cross section is given in the question, it means beam is just inside. It means beam is just inside. What I mean, you cannot see the beam, because whatever you are seeing, that is the front face, because cross section is given. It means beam is inside. Whatever is you're seeing, beam is inside my screen. Yeah, the length is inside my screen. Length of the beam is inside my screen. You cannot see the length. So when you will apply the load, you have to think about moment of inertia. Okay. So moment of inertia, only two moment of inertias are possible. One moment of inertia, I taught you, right? I is equal to, either you will go for 2 4 cube by 12, or you go for 4 2 cube by 12. Only these two are the possibilities, right? So in these two possibilities, this possibility you have choose. It means this cross section. Then only 4 cube will come. Not this cross section. No. Right? Guys, stick here if you're understanding. Tick here if you have doubt. Everyone? Okay, no doubt. Very good. Now I will give you one challenging question. Challenging question. Very good question. A beam of, it is actually tough, you have to think. This question is a little bit tough. A beam of cross section of 3 cross 6 mm, I mean 3 mm 6, sorry, yeah, correct, 3 mm 6 mm cross of 3 cross 6 mm cantilever, a load of 10 Newton is applied we are missing 8 students. 8 people are not there. You know why students are missing the class? I will tell you why students are missing the class. Because video courses are there. That's why students are not coming to live class. I was counting today, we are total 28. Seriously, students are not coming to class. Okay. A beam of cross section of 3 cross 6 mm cantilever, a load of 10 Newton is applied at the free end. At the free end gives stiffness as K. What will be the new stiffness if the load becomes 20 Newton? Okay. So option 1 k by 2, option 2 k, option 3 2k, option 4 none. Solve this question right now. This is class work. Do it now.